a lot of people do think that analytics is essential for their business and to grow their business. I guess my first thought to this is when's the last time you actually looked at your analytics? And when's the last time you actually did something because of the analytics data that you receive? So a lot of people will assume that analytics is essential, but won't do anything with that data, right? There's also analytics that don't collect cookies. There's analytics that don't collect personal information. So there are privacy-friendly alternatives to the analytics tools that a lot of us use, like Google Analytics and things like that. Unfortunately, regardless of how business owners feel about analytics, courts have determined many times that analytics is not an essential cookie. So analytics cookies do need to obtain proper consent before those cookies are placed on the user's device. So the only cookies that don't require consent are those that are actually truly necessary for a website to work, so without which the website would not work. So like authentication, security, session management, consumer interface preferences, things like that. But analytics is not on that list. And I do want to note this is more important now than ever before because of the California Invasion of Privacy Act. So because of that law, so many businesses are getting sued or getting served demand letters for tracking people from California without their consent, regardless of where their business is located. In addition, the laws of other countries like GDPR, UK's DPA, all of those state that you need to obtain proper consent for the placement of analytics cookies on a user's device. So it's definitely something that you do need consent for, because according to those laws and according to those courts, analytics are not necessary for the operation of the website.